Last episode, we covered what YouTube ads actually are. Today, we get practical. Today, we built the machine. Welcome back to the YouTube Ads Blueprint, Season 1, Episode 2. Let's get into it.
So glad you're back. The fact that you showed up for episode 2 already puts you ahead of most people who talk about growing online but never actually take the next step. You're taking it right now. Let's go.
Here is the thing that surprises almost every beginner. You do not manage YouTube ads inside YouTube. I know you'd think you would, right? But nope. And once you understand why, it makes complete sense. YouTube is owned by Google, and Google already has one of the most powerful advertising platforms ever built, Google Ads. So everything runs through there. One dashboard, all of it connected.
And that actually works in your favor because the skills you build here open doors way beyond YouTube. You're learning a system that powers advertising across the entire internet. Not bad for episode 2.
So here is exactly what you need before running a single YouTube ad. 3 things: a Google account, your login and foundation, a Google Ads account, free to create, where all your campaigns live, and a YouTube channel linked directly to that Google Ads account. That link is what makes everything work together.
And the order matters. Google account first, then Google Ads, then link your YouTube channel, then upload your video, then create your campaign. Every time, no shortcuts. Skip a step and the whole thing fights you.
Now, that channel link, don't overlook this. When your channel is connected to Google Ads, 2 powerful things happen. First, Google Ads can access your uploaded videos and use them as ad creatives. Without the link, you literally cannot select your own videos to run as ads. Second, you get to track subscribers gained, videos watched, and audience behavior, all driven by your paid campaigns. That data is gold. You only get it when properly linked.
Think of it like connecting your phone to your car's Bluetooth. Before the connection, 2 separate things. After the connection, one seamless system. That is exactly what this link does for your advertising. And the best part? The entire setup is completely free until you are ready to actually launch. 0 spend, 0 risk, 0 excuses to wait.
All right, 3 questions. Let's lock this in. Here we go.
Question 1. Which platform is used to create and manage YouTube ad campaigns? A. YouTube Studio directly. B. A Google Ads account linked to your YouTube channel. C. A separate YouTube ads portal at ads.youtube.com. Or D. Facebook Ads Manager with a YouTube integration toggle.
The answer is B. Google Ads is where everything lives, linked to your YouTube channel to work properly. Option A is wrong. YouTube Studio manages your content, not your paid ads. Option C does not exist, don't go searching for it. And option D, Facebook Ads Manager, has absolutely nothing to do with YouTube, 2 completely separate worlds.
And question 2, what is the correct order of steps to set up a Google Ads account for YouTube advertising? A. Upload a video, launch a campaign, create a Google account afterward. B. Create a Google account, set up Google Ads, link your YouTube channel, upload your video, then create your campaign. C. Create a Facebook account, link it to Google Ads, then connect YouTube. Or D. Purchase YouTube Premium and automatically unlock the ads dashboard.
It is B. And let this one really stick. Linking does 2 critical things. It lets Google Ads pull your YouTube videos directly into your campaign as creatives. Without it, you cannot use your own videos as ads. And it unlocks channel-level tracking, so you can measure exactly what your paid campaigns are driving. Option A is false. Linking has nothing to do with pricing. Option C is false. Nobody's deleting your videos. And option D is the most dangerous answer here. Linking is absolutely not optional. It is essential.
You now know where YouTube ads live, how to set everything up in the right order, and exactly why that channel link matters so much. Episode 3 is all about ad formats, skippable, non-skippable, bumper ads. It is one of the best episodes in the series, and you do not want to miss it.
If this helped you today, hit that like button, subscribe for every new episode, and turn on the notification bell so episode 3 lands right in your feed the moment it drops. See you there.
Let's go.